What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and this tutorial is for you that is tired of the old-fashioned search forms on WordPress and would like to add search forms into every place of your site, but a customizable one that shows live results and appears in better views. How to do this for free is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and hit the menu submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into search plugins, you're gonna be able to click and type search WP, and here is the guide that we're looking for. Search WP Live Ajax Search. Click on install now. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list you can see. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page sometimes, so you're gonna be able to see the plugin features. Nothing to worry right here. You're gonna be able to choose the theme, for example, medium, rich, custom, minimal, and other things like this. But if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, into search WP, new menu, click on search forms, the first option. Now click on add new. You're gonna be able to see the search form right here, and you can enter the button into the search form or not, change the label of the search form, this text right here, enter keyword and search. You're gonna be able to change the style, make it rectangle, under math. You can change the border, the font. You can change the border style for no style, filled, stroked, up to you, okay? The label, the background, the font color, and the font size. After doing this, all you're gonna need to do is hit the save button into the upper right corner of your screen, and then click into the embed button next to save. You can embed this as a Gutenberg block, as a shortcode, or as a PHP code. And let me show you as a shortcode. Copy this shortcode. Now move to one of your pages or any post you like or any content you like, and just enter the block called shortcode, just like this, and place the form shortcode. As soon as you do this, you're gonna be able to see the form working, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys later. All the best!